Halloween is a time for imagination, when we can become anything we want for one special night. Costumes are a huge part of the excitement, and one character always stands out: the clown. On Halloween, the clown transforms, sometimes cute, sometimes spooky. That's the magic. You can be a friendly clown or a scary one. The real secret is in the makeup. It's more than paint, it's a transformation. So grab your paint pots. Let's get ready for a Halloween adventure. What makes a clown cute? It's all about joy and fun. Think of a classic circus clown, welcoming, silly, and designed to make you giggle. Cute clowns use bright, happy colors: sunshine yellow, bubblegum pink, sky blue. These colors remind us of happy things: sunny days, candy, laughter. The shapes are soft and round: big rosy cheeks, high arched eyebrows, and a wide curved smile. Details like a red heart on the cheek or colorful polka dots add charm. The eyes are made to look big and innocent, with white makeup and maybe a touch of glitter. Everything says, "I'm here to play and have fun." A cute clown might juggle, ride a tiny bike, or hand out squirting flowers. When people see a cute clown, they smile and feel happy. It's a look that brings back childhood memories and simple joy. Perfect for spreading cheer on Halloween night. If you want to make people laugh and feel welcome, this is your style. The cute clown is a classic that never fails to bring a smile. Ready to spread some happiness? The cute clown look is for you. Now, let's explore the darker side. What makes a clown creepy? It's about twisting something familiar into something unsettling. Creepy clowns use dark colors: black, deep red, ghostly white. The shapes are sharp and jagged. No more soft cheeks or happy arches. Angry, pointed eyebrows and sunken cheekbones create a menacing look. The smile is too wide, stretching from ear to ear, with sharp points like a villain's grin. Details like painted cracks, black teardrops, and hollow eyes add to the horror. Sometimes teeth are painted on, making the mouth look monstrous. Smudges and messy lines make the clown look unpredictable and unhinged. The feeling is one of fear and unease. This is the clown from nightmares. People don't smile at a creepy clown. They step back. The look plays on our fear of the unknown and the uncanny. Perfect for those who love the thrill of Halloween and want to give a good scare. If you want to be the star of ghost stories, this is your style. The creepy clown is all about suspense and fright. Are you ready to give your friends a good-natured scare? Want to try clown makeup? Here's how. For a cute clown, start with a clean face and cover it with white paint. Add pink or red circles to your cheeks. Paint colorful shapes around your eyes. Light blue or yellow works great. Draw high, arched eyebrows and a big, happy red smile. Add fun details: a red heart, polka dots, or a sparkly teardrop. Don't forget the nose. Use a red sponge or paint a circle. Pair with a colorful wig and frilly collar, and you're ready to spread cheer. For a creepy clown, start with a white base but make it patchy for a scarier effect. Use black or gray to create shadows and sunken cheeks. Smudge black paint around your eyes for a hollow look. Draw a long, thin, sinister smile with black and red paint. Add sharp, painted teeth, angry eyebrows, and cracks or black teardrops. Make everything look sharp, dark, and a little messy. The key is to create a sense of dread and mystery. Whether cute or creepy, your clown face is your Halloween masterpiece. The mood changes completely depending on the clown makeup. Cute clowns use bright colors and round shapes. Our brains see them as friendly and fun. They remind us of happy times, making us feel light and cheerful. Kids run toward cute clowns, not away. The makeup invites play and celebration. When you wear it, you might act more playful and bubbly. Creepy clowns, on the other hand, use dark colors and sharp lines. Our brains see these as threatening: danger, horror, suspense. The sinister smile feels wrong, creating unease. It's the uncanny valley of clown faces. Familiar, but disturbing. Seeing a creepy clown makes your heart race and keeps you on edge. It plays on common fears, making the experience thrilling. Wearing creepy clown makeup gives you a certain power. You set the spooky mood. Whether you want to spread joy or chills, your clown look shapes the whole night. The choice is yours. Light-hearted fun or spine-tingling suspense. That's the magic of Halloween makeup. Getting your clown face on should be fun. Gather your supplies. Face paints, brushes, sponges, and makeup remover. Wear an old shirt to protect your clothes. Have a reference picture to guide you. Always use skin-safe face paints. Never craft paints or markers. Do a patch test on your arm before covering your face. When the night's over, remove makeup gently with remover or oil. Then wash your face. Take care of your skin. It's just as important as the look. Make it a party. Play music, do makeup with friends, and enjoy the process. Don't stress about perfection. A smudge or crooked line can add character. Halloween makeup is about creativity and fun. Embrace the transformation and enjoy every moment. Your best look is the one you have fun creating. So, which clown will you be? Cute or creepy? Think about your personality and the kind of Halloween you want. If you love making people laugh and spreading joy, go for the cute clown. Perfect for family parties and trick-or-treating with kids. If you crave thrills and love a spooky impact, the creepy clown is your style. Great for haunted houses and daring your friends. Look at both styles. What excites you more? There's no right or wrong answer, just what feels fun for you. Both clowns are classic Halloween choices. Pick the one that speaks to you and wear it with confidence. Whether you make people giggle or gasp, enjoy your transformation. Have a wonderfully happy or spookily scary Halloween night.